Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon viewers. I am Marit Sukmayu. Today on Tuesday 10 November 2020. Happy gathering with you in West Java needs over 70 million COVID-19 doses to vaccinate majority of residents, which will profit you to the real news and which is taken factually and actually either in international and national. I will accompany you about 8 minutes with many kind of information. We will begin the news today. West Java needs over 70 million COVID-19 doses to vaccinate majority of residents. The West Java Health Agency has said the province will need at least 72 million doses to vaccinate this 36 million residents aged between 18 and 59 in a future vaccination program. The country is seeking ways to make possible a first round of COVID-19 vaccination in November and December. The head of the agency health service, Martion Sragian, said that aiming for the 36 million resident was part of the province main strategy, based on limited potential vaccine procurement in the future. In the mentioned, West Java has a population and the future. In the meantime, West Java has a population of almost 50 million. The strategy Marion referred to was in regard to the central government's plan to buy vaccines in the fields, past to be given to 91 million people nationwide. With just a budget, West Java has proposed a portion to be able to vaccinate 3 million people. Inland with that, West Java decided to act quickly by setting up a vaccination mechanism, including its hosting a simulation health puskesmas Tapos Community Health Center in Depok on Thursday. We're still waiting for further technical guidance from the central government on vaccination for those who are aged 60 or above, as well as those who are aged 18 or under, Marion said in a statement of Friday. In regard to the government vaccination priority list, which is aimed at healthcare workers and personnel of Nation Police and Indonesian military, Marion said that West Java needed 315,564 vaksin doses for 157,782 people. As for public service offers, we need at least 190,496 doses for 95,248 people. Nevertheless, we continue to update the counts in order to make sure that those who are on the priority list get the shot. He added that for the future vaccination, West Java currently has 1,094 trained vaccinators and plans to add more. while for healthcare service, the province has a total of 85.000 workers. On the vaccine are available, they will need to be stored in cold storage at a temperature between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius. Marion said the agency was continuing to access the use of the cold storage units in health facilities in the province. Vaccine needs to be properly stored prior to being injection into human bodies. Hence, the cold storage or to assure that treatment, we have to ensure the readiness of the storage units in the health facilities, he said, adding that out of 4 total 354 cold storage was in place, 51 were broken. In Thursday vaccination simulation with Java Governor and COVID-19 handling committee head Ridwan Kamil said the first injection would likely be centered in Bogor City and Bogor Regency, Depok City, as well as Bekasi City and Bekasi Regency as the regions with the most COVID-19 cases. In those regions, the administrations have 312 vaccinations so far, but plan to add more. As of Monday, West Java had seen a total of 34,355 confirmed COVID-19 cases with 23,585 recoveries and 694 fatalities. Indonesia has forged cooperation with several countries regarding the supply of potential vaccines. China's Sinovac Biotech in partnership with Bio-Pharma is running late-stage human trial of a candidate vaccine in Bandung, West Java. And that was the news today. Finally, I am an all of crew of West Java needs over 70 million COVID-19 doses to vaccinate majority of residents. Say have a wonderful day. See you next time and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.